નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. હેલો સ્ટુડન્ટ્સ, હાઉ આર યુ? સબ્જેક્ટ સંસ્કૃત, સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ 8, ચેપ્ટર 3, આત્મશ્રદ્ધયાः પ્રભાવः means effect of self-confidence. Let's fill our mind with the idea of self-help. Do you know what is self-help? It means helping ourselves and at the same time depending upon none. A well-known example of this is Eklavya. Have you heard the name Eklavya? Can anyone of you tell something about him? Okay. Let us enter the story of Eklavya. First of all, let us be familiar with new words in this lesson to enjoy it. First word, asita. Asit means was. Second, pathitum. Pathitum means to learn. Third, ichhati. Ichhati means wanted. Agachata. Agachata means went. Bhavitum. Bhavitum means to become. Dhanurdhara means archer. Pratyavadata means replied. Na saknomi means cannot. Arachayata means prepared. Anmata means bowed. Sanehi sanehi means by and by or gradually. Abhavata means became. Kushalaha means skilled. Agachata means arrived up. Abhasata means began to bark. I have divided this story in 3 scenes to simplify it for you. Let's now start the story आत्मश्रद्धयाः प्रभावः means effect of self-confidence. एकः बालकः आसीत्. There was a boy. तस्य नाम एकलव्यः आसीत्. तस्य means his. His name was Eklavya. सः धनुर्विद्यां पठितुम् इच्छति स्म. He wanted. इच्छति स्म means wanted to learn. He wanted to learn archery. एकदा सः द्रोणाचार्यस्य समीपम् अगच्छत्. Once. एकदा means once. सः द्रोणाचार्यस. He went to द्रोणाचार्य. अवदत च means said. Once he went to द्रोणाचार्य and said, Gurudev, Gurudev, अहम् अपि धनुर्धरः भवितुम् इच्छामि. I also want to become an archer. Archer means धनुर्धर. कृपया मां स्वीकुरु. Please. कृपया means please. Please accept me. आचार्यः प्रत्यवदत. आचार्य प्रत्यवदत means replied. आचार्य replied. अहं कौरवान् पाण्डवान् च पाठयामि. I teach Kauravas and Pandavas. अहं भवतः शिष्यरूपेण स्वीकारुं कर्तुं न शक्नोमि. I cannot accept you as a शिष्यरूपेण means student. I cannot accept you as a student. परंतु but आचार्य प्रति तस्य श्रद्धा शिथिला न अभवत्. श्रद्धा means faith. But his faith for Acharya did not lessen. Now let us enjoy the second scene of the story. सः आचार्यस्य द्रोणस्य एकां मूर्तिम् अरचयत. अरचयत means prepared. सः means he. He prepared an मूर्तिं. मूर्तिं means idol. He prepared an idol of Acharya Drona. सः प्रतिदिनं मूर्तिम् अनुमत्. Anumat means bowed. Pratidinam means every day. Every day he bowed before the idol. Pratah kalat सायं पर्यन्त धनुर्विद्याः अभ्यासम् अकरोत्. प्रातः काल means morning. सायं means evening. Every day he practiced archery from morning to evening. शनैः शनैः means by and by. सः कुशलः धनुर्धरः अभवत्. By and by he became a skilled archer. एकदा तस्मिन् वने गुरुद्रोणः पाण्डवैः कौरवैः च सह आगच्छत. आगच्छत means arrived up. तस्मिन् वने means in that forest. एकदा means once. एकदा तस्मिन् वने गुरुद्रोणः पाण्डवैः कौरवैः च सह आगच्छत. Once Guru Drona arrived up in that forest with एकः कुक्कुरः. कुक्कुरः means a dog. तान् दृष्ट्वा अभसत. अभसत means began to bark. तान् दृष्ट्वा means on seeing. एकः कुक्कुरः तान् दृष्ट्वा अभसत. One a dog began to bark on seeing them. अर्जुनः धनुष्यम् उत्थापयति स्म. अर्जुन उत्थापयति means raised. धनुष्यम् means bow. Arjun raised his bow and तदेव एकलव्यः बाणैः तस्य कुक्कुरस्य मुखम् असीव्यत्. And at once, eklavya asivyat means closed or shut, shoe. Eklavya shoe the dog's mouth with arrows. द्रोणाचार्य एतत् दृष्ट्वा तत्र आगच्छत तं च अपृच्छत्. आगच्छत means went. Drashtva means saw. Dronacharya saw this and went there. Kah tavo acharya. Who is your master? Kah means who. Who is your master? Tada sah द्रोणाचार्यं तां मूर्तिम् अदर्शयत. Adarshayata means showed. Murtim means idol. Eklavya showed that idol to Dronacharya. Eklavyaः गुरुश्रद्धयाः स्वश्रद्धयाः च प्रतीकम् अस्ति. Here is the lesson that Eklavya is the symbol of Guru Shraddhayaha means faith in Guru, and Swashraddhayaha means faith in self. Here is the lesson that Eklavya is the symbol of faith in Guru and faith in self. Eklavyaha asman shikshayati. Eklavya teaches us. Asman means us. Swayam jyotihi swayam prabhah bhavatu. Be your own light and be your own wisdom. यदि अस्मासु आत्मश्रद्धा अस्ति तर्हि कापि सिद्धिः दुर्लभा नास्ति. If we have faith in ourselves, no achievement is difficult for us. अनन्तरः आत्मश्रद्धायाः बलेन सः श्रेष्ठधनुर्धरः अभवत्. If we have faith in ourselves, no achievement is difficult. In this lesson, we learn the significance of self-confidence. None can help us more than our own self. If one wants to climb only on a small tree, he himself will have to make the attempt. There are hundreds of examples regarding faith in self. Okay. Thank you for joining us.